We're going to talk to you about all the things you specifically need to think about to keep your business alive even after you're gone. We're going to talk to you about how you can grow the business and protect the business now with your estate planning. And we're also going to talk to you about what we know is the unique obstacles that you guys as business owners absolutely face when you do your estate planning, especially if you've started estate planning with more of a generalist and I say generalist, maybe even if it's somebody that is an estate planning attorney, maybe they don't deal specifically with business owners. We in our space actually get a lot of referrals from other attorneys that do what we do, just in the simpler space. And the second something gets a little bit more complicated, it gets referred to us. And you guys as business owners, there's a lot of nuance in how you deal with and transfer a business. So, here we go. And again, why should you listen to me? My name is Leslie Marenco. I am the managing partner here. But actually, my first job when I graduated law school was sitting in a room with a bunch of CPA attorneys in one of the largest law firms in the country. And we were going after assets. We did the reverse of asset protection. We were coming for you. And that kind of reverse engineering is really one of the main things that when we started this law firm 10 years ago, we said we can provide great amounts of asset protection for our clients because we know exactly what it takes to get to your stuff and exactly how hard it can be if it's structured in the right way, because there's been a little bit of planning. So I absolutely know how to protect your assets because, again, I knew how to get to your assets. And as my partner, Jason, used to love to say, you really can't escape us, guys. I'm so sorry. This is the one area of law that either you deal with us on the planning side or you do no planning and you deal with us in the administration side. And I promise you, it is so much easier, cheaper, and better for your family if you do some planning versus something happens to you and then you're going to that side of the office where administration happens. And I certainly don't do this alone. Like I just said, I mentioned one of my partners, Jason, but I have a actually quite large and sophisticated attorney team. Some of my attorneys are also CPAs. The two on the end here, this is Manny and Marenco on the ends, and they are actually attorneys, CPAs. They were CPAs first and then became attorneys. And each one of our attorneys is really quite nuanced and sophisticated in the area of planning that they encompass. Because honestly, this area of law covers a lot of different things, whether it's taxes, real estate, business issues, real estate issues. I mean, there's so much. And the law is changing all the time. We are a nation of case law. And what that actually means is that judges create law every single day. It is really hard when you are a small firm with only one attorney to keep track of all of that. And it really makes a huge difference for you, the client, to get the most up-to-date information and the best advice. And of course, full transparency, guys, this is a webinar about estate planning and for business owners, and that is what we do, and we could absolutely help you with that.